Hi students, today we are going to discuss the lesson visualizing solid shapes. So in this lesson, we will discuss the topics 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes, regular shapes, irregular shapes, map, faces and edges and vertices of a figure. Okay, so first it is shapes. What do you mean by shapes? A shape is the form of an object or its external boundary, outline or external surface as opposed to other properties such as color, textures, material, composition. Okay, so psychologists have theorized that humans' mentality breaks down images into simple geometrical shapes called geons. For example, geon include cones and spheres. So whatever things we are seeing in this world, that are all, it consists of some shapes. Okay. So next, 2D shapes. 2D shapes can be summarized by calling them flat shapes. So 2D shapes means it is a flat spaces. Okay, flat shapes. So the shape, that flat shape we can tell plane shapes. So that plane shapes have two measurements like length and breadth. Okay, so for this it's like a diagram on the paper. Any shape that can be laid flat on a piece of paper or any mathematical plane is a 2D shape. As a child, your first drawings probably used basic shapes such as squares, triangles and circles. Okay, so whatever we are drawing on the page, that is called 2D shapes. So listen here, these are all the diagrams drawn in the papers. Okay, so quadrilateral, circle, triangle, square, whatever we can draw all the shapes. Okay, these shapes are called 2D shapes. In these shapes only length and breadth we can measure. There is no thickness. Okay, there is no thickness. Next, 3D shapes. So these shapes are solid or hollow. So in these shapes, it consists of three dimensionals, length, width and height. Okay, we can measure the length, breadth and height. Okay, see here 3D shapes, cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, square, base, pyramid. These are all the examples of 3D shapes. Okay, in this length is there, breadth is there and thickness also there. Okay, next. Views of 3D shapes. Okay, there are three types of views are there in 3D shapes. So the first one it is front view, top view, side view. Front view, top view and side view. So look here, different views of 3D shapes. Here one diagram has given one hut. Okay, in this hut, front, side, top it's mentioned. Okay, we have to draw the front view, side view and top view. See the here, front view, side view and top view it has drawn. Similarly, a glass can have the following views. For the glass also they drawn side view and top view. Okay. Next, here all these are all few examples of views, different views of 3D shapes. Okay, just go through this. First diagram, front view, side view and top view it is mentioned here, left side. Next, it's separately drawn there, right side. Side view, front view and top view, as well as again give two examples also it's given. Next, here you see one military tent is there. For that military tent they have drawn the front view, side view and top view. Next, for table they drawn. After that one brick is there. For the brick also they drawn it. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the topic regular shapes. So already in quadrilateral lessons, we discussed this. What are regular quadrilateral? Okay. So regular shapes means it has equal angles and equal sides. For example, regular, hexagonal, regular, pentagon. So in whatever shapes it is, in that all the angles are equal as well as all the sides are equal. Okay. So some regular irregular shapes they given. Regular shapes, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon having same sides and same angles. Okay. So whatever figure, it consists of same angle and same sides. Here examples are given for that: square, regular hexagon, regular pentagon, regular octagon, equilateral triangle. These are all the examples of regular shapes. Next, irregular shapes. Irregular shapes are two-dimensional structure which lies in a plain paper. Plain. Okay. These shapes will not have all sides equal and all angles are equal. In this, all sides are not equal and angles also not equal. Irregular shape is denoted as when all the sides of the shapes having different length and the value of angle should not be same for all angles. Okay, these values and see these figures. Example, sides are not equal as well as angles are not equal. Next, map. What do you mean by map? A map is a visual representation of an entire area or part of an area, typically represented on a flat surface. So in a flat surface, we are drawing the visual representation of that particular area. That is called map. Okay. The work of a map is to illustrate specific and detailed features of a particular area. Most frequently used to illustrate geography. Especially we are using the geography subject. This map we are using to mention the particular areas details. Okay. There are many kinds of maps are there: static map, two-dimensional map, three-dimensional map, dynamic map and even interactive. Okay. So maps attempt to represent various things. Okay. In this map we can represent many things. For example, political boundaries, political borders we can draw, and natures, and what are the things are available from the particular place. States we can mention. So here you see physical features, roads, topography, population, climate, natural resources and economic activities. These all we can show in the map. Next, this see here some map images are given. Okay, some map images are given here like this. For your school you can draw the images. Where is the library, where is the office, where is your classroom. You can try that. Next, Euler's formula. Using faces, vertices and edges, we have to find out we can use the formula Euler's. Okay. So Euler's formula based on faces, vertices and edges. So first you see what do you mean by Euler's formula? F plus V minus E is equal to 2. This is the Euler's formula. In this you see F stands for faces, V stands for vertices, E stands for edges. Okay. So here some examples are given. First example, if V is equal to 6, E is equal to 12, then find the value of F. So F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So F plus, instead of V apply 6, then instead of E apply 12. So now f minus 6 is equal to 2. F is equal to 8. So the value of f it is 8. Next, if v is equal to 10, f is equal to 7, then find the value of e. So f plus v plus e is equal to 2. So 7 plus 10 minus e is equal to 2. Now 7 plus 10, what is that? 17 minus e is equal to 2. So this minus e take it into right side. Okay. So now 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. So value of e it is 15. So the last example, if faces is equal to 5, edges is equal to 9, then find the vertices. So as usual, first write the formula. F plus v minus e is equal to 2. So 5 plus v minus 9 is equal to 2. So v minus 4 is equal to 2. V is equal to 6. So the value of v it is 6. Okay. These are all the Euler's formula based examples. Okay. Thank you.